In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add, resize and delete columns in Notion so you can create cleaner, more organized page layouts. Let's get started. To add columns, open your Notion page and create two blocks of content. Click and hold the 6-dot handle next to one block, then drag it to the right side of another block until you see a vertical blue line. Release your mouse and Notion will place the blocks side by side as columns. You can continue dragging additional blocks beside existing columns to create 3 or more columns if needed. Add text, images, checklists, or any other blocks inside each column to build your layout. To resize a column, move your cursor over the space between two columns until the resize handle appears. Click and drag left or right to adjust the width. Release the mouse when you're happy with the layout. To delete a column, remove or move all the blocks inside that column. Then drag any remaining blocks into another column or below the layout. Once a column is empty, Notion automatically removes it. That's how to add, resize and delete columns in Notion. Thanks for watching.